Here's a quick guide on how to see your Facebook password using saved passwords on your device. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Next, tap See More in Account Center and go to Password and Security. Tap Change Password, then select Facebook. You'll see a field for your current password. We won't change it, we're just using this area to access your saved password. When the keyboard opens, look for the small key icon above your keyboard. Tap it to open your device's saved passwords. Select facebook.com and your saved username and password will appear. Tap the eye icon to reveal the password. If the first method doesn't show your password, open Google Chrome, tap the three dots, go to Password Manager, and search for Facebook. If Chrome has it saved, you can view it there as well. On iPhone, open the Passwords app. Search for Facebook, tap it, and your saved password will appear. Tap to reveal and copy it if needed. And that's how you can see your Facebook password using saved passwords on your device. Thanks for watching.